welcome to Case Closed. I'm Charlie Langton, your host. We'll soon go inside an actual courtroom in the Warren District Court to see real small claims cases in action. Now, under Michigan law, small claims cases may be brought by individuals seeking $3,000 in damages or less. Neither side may be represented by an attorney in small claims court, and the judge's decision is final. Now, the first case of the day, the case of restoration frustration.
Okay, Ms. Gandy, go ahead.
Back in '08, I believe it was in March, we provide services on the defendant's home. She had some.
Now you say we. Who is we?
Aaron's Restoration and Carpet Cleaning, LLC.
All right, go ahead.
I believe it was for some vandalism. It was actually covered under an insurance claim. The insurance had paid for a partial for the bill minus her deductible, which is stated in her insurance policy.
Okay.
And at this point, right now, we are just trying to collect the deductible for the work that we provided on her home.
How much is the deductible?
The deductible was $1,000.
You're suing for $1,345.
There is a 1.5% monthly interest rate for non-payment after 30 days.
Okay.
So the other $345 is that 1.5%.
All right, so this does not include court costs, correct? All right, what kind of work did you do?
I believe it was either a window or a door that had been vandalized that we had fixed.
Okay.
And, you know, the insurance company paid, the entire bill was for $3,412.19.
$3,412.19?
Yes, the
Okay.
insurance company paid $2,412.91.
Okay.
And with a balance of the $1,000. I think I said 19 cents. I meant 91. I inverted the two.
So the total bill is $3,412.91. Correct. Okay, and the insurance company paid $2,412.91.
Yes.
That's where the $1,000 is. All right. What's the insurance company?
Unfortunately, I don't have her actual entire file with me. My boss had knee surgery today.
Okay.
And it's away in his office, and I'm unable to access it, so I apologize. But we do work with pretty much all the insurance companies. So they did pay their portion of it. We just haven't received the deductible.
All right. So you're contracted with the insurance company then to do the restoration in this case?
Yes.
Okay. And so this has nothing to do with cleaning a carpet then?
No. Carpet cleaning is just another portion of what we do. It's Aaron's Restoration and Carpet Cleaning.
All right, but just not in this case.
Correct.
Well, the plaintiff made this case real simple. The only issue for the judge is should the defendant pay a deductible. Let's see what the defendant says here.
Okay, Ms. Wade, what do you want to tell me about this case? Your turn.
Well, first of all, my entire house was vandalized. Screens, the front door was smashed in, and that's pretty much it.
Okay.
There was, as far as I know, there was nothing on the inside or that was taken or removed or anything.
Nothing stolen then, right?
No.
Why don't you think you should have to pay that $1,000 to the
Because
company here, in this case, who did the work? Aaron's Restoration and Carpet Cleaning.
They didn't complete their work. I was told, I called in the proper spirit and talked to the gentleman that was there that I thought spoke for the company. And I explained to him that all my screens had been removed and that I would hope that they were going to replace them and so forth, and I said he didn't finish the job, and I don't pay for stuff that's not finished.
Who's your insurance company, Ms. Wade?
State Farm.
All right.
It's my insurance company.
What didn't the company do that you think the company should have done?
Okay, when they went to replace the door frame, it was put together with a brad. It wasn't a new door frame.
Okay.
That's number one.
they damaged the door frame insulation.
Sir, who are you?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm Mrs. Wade's son.
What is your name?
Damian Mindel. I'm also her caretaker and guardian.
All right.
When they installed the door that was installed had a slight dent in the metal door. It looked like they had bought a slightly damaged one that they had gotten a better deal on. But when they installed it in, when they were screwing the door frame into this all one piece, they split, the door frame is split where they put the screws in to put the lock mechanism, okay, and was damaged. As far as the screens go, they removed the screens from the house. When my mother called me and told me what was going on, we contacted Aaron's Restoration. The gentleman said, well, when you pay me my bill, I'll bring you your screens back. I told him, I said, sir, I said, you were not authorized to remove any property from my mother's home. No one told you to do that. I said, as far as I'm concerned, the way I understand the law, he committed a crime by removing her property without her permission.
Did you file a police report?
No, I did not.
Why not?
My mother didn't want to cause the big fuss, and she threw a big fit about it. They replaced front door, back door. They're supposed to do the screens and a couple other items, but when I told them as far as the door frame, I said, you know, you need that door frame. We're not going to, it's cracked. The job was not properly completed. I says, and I wouldn't allow my mother to pay a contractor that didn't complete the job.
Well, but the insurance company paid.
Because they called and they submitted the bill.
Why?
This company was referred to my mother by the insurance company. They submitted the bill. They never called my mother to say, was the job done satisfactorily, da-da-da-da. You know, they just submitted their bill and the insurance company paid them, as they always do, because that's someone that they recommend to people.
Did you call Allstate on this?
Or State Farm, sir.
Or, I'm sorry, State Farm?
I thought my mother said that she called them, and they said that, you know, as far as their understanding that it was done properly, they had already paid the bill, and it would be up to my mother on her portion of the deductible to deal with Aaron's Restoration. Then she called back and she told them, look, if you will come out, do the job, fix the part that's messed up, bring me my screens and complete the job, I will work out a payment agreement with you to make sure you get your money. The gentleman said, well, if you don't give me my money, you're not getting your screens back, and I'll sue you. And he got very belligerent with her. I was standing 3 foot behind her, and I could hear through the phone. I took the phone from him. I said, sir, you're speaking with my mother, who's an elderly lady, and when you learn to conduct yourself like a professional businessman, you call us back. You take us to court. And I hung up the phone.
They made me feel like a feeble old person, and God knows I'm not. I got here by bus today.
I don't think you are. But that's not what the case is all about.
So the defense here is that the plaintiff didn't do the job, but the defendant doesn't have any proof, no pictures, and the insurance company paid the whole bill. Doesn't look good for the defendant, but let's see what the judge says.
I'm going to enter the judgment in favor of the plaintiff. I don't see why the claim shouldn't be paid, or the amount shouldn't be paid. There was an agreement with the insurance company to do the work. And the insurance company is the person that gets to decide who, just a second, okay? Let me finish here. The insurance company gets to decide who's going to do the work because the insurance company is the one that's on the hook. They're the one that's paying. Ma'am, listen to me, okay?
Listening.
No, you want to talk. I can tell
I'm not.
By the way you're looking here, you want to talk. I want you to understand this. Again, the insurance company gets to decide who's going to do the work because the insurance company is paying most of the bill. That's their obligation to do that. They picked this company to do the work, to restore your house. Aaron's Restoration and Carpet Cleaning. That's the company that State Farm has contracted with to do this type of work. I don't think State Farm would have paid Aaron's Restoration and Carpet Cleaning unless they were satisfied that the work was done correctly by you signing that. I don't think they would have done that. Insurance companies generally don't just pay off that way until they get that sort of document signed because they don't want to be on the hook later on. That's pretty standard in the business. I'm going to enter a judgment in favor of the plaintiff. Damages will be $1,345. The court will add to that cost consisting of a $45 filing fee and a $23 service fee, bringing the total amount of the judgment to $1,413. I will make part of the judgment in order that the plaintiff is to return any screens or any property items to the defendant
Yeah, but
held by the plaintiff. In other words, if your company has anything that belongs to her, she's got to get that back.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
I mean, there's no need for you to be keeping that.
Absolutely.
But you do have to pay $1,413 to the defendant. Okay, you have a good day.
Well, it's really hard to win when you have no proof, and in this case, the insurance company did pay the whole bill. That's pretty good proof. Now, let's take a look at the next case of the accidental rental.
This is your case, Ms. Gabriel. Tell me what this is all about.
Miss Lori rented a vehicle from us, and there was damage done to the vehicle. She had made arrangements to make payments that she never kept. And then
Was she in an accident? Is that what happened?
Well, it's undercarriage,
Okay.
like she ran into something.
Okay, go ahead.
Pile, if I'm not mistaken.
All right.
And she didn't keep her arrangements, so we put it on her credit card. Our
Okay.
contract states that we have the right to do that. We try to work it out between, first of all. And then Miss Lori got upset. She wanted the money back. She sued us. And they went to, I wasn't involved in that case, but they went to court or mediation, I'm not sure. But
Okay.
anyway, Miss Lori said that she would stop, you know, that being the credit card company gave her her money back, she would stop this suit, okay,
Okay.
that she had originally filed. Well, Miss Lori never did. So the credit card company gave her her money back, plus a court officer came out and collected
From you?
from us, right?
What did the court
Oh, we
officer
never-
collect?
$878.58.
$878.58? Well, how was that paid? By cash or by check? Or
No,
what?
we paid it in a check to it was made out to Miss Lori.
Okay.
So we got absolutely nothing for the damages, and Miss Lori got $878.58.
You're suing for $1,688.06.
Right.
How did you come up with that?
That's a $778.58 plus the 800,
Oh, $778.58.
Pardon me?
I thought you said $878.58.
yeah, it is, 878.58.
You said $778.58.
878.
Okay, so you're suing for the $878.58 that you paid her,
Right.
right?
And $809.48 for the damages.
I thought it was $795 in damages. That's what your affidavit says. Ms. Lowry did $795 worth of damage to our vehicle. We charged her credit card $809.48. Why did you do that?
I believe she had rental.
What do you
She
mean?
wasn't paid in full on her rental. That was the difference.
$14.48?
Right,
That's what she owed
right.
on the rental?
She was making payments to us.
Okay. So that's 1,000, looks like, $687.98 that you should be suing for. You're right. If my arithmetic is correct, $878.58, which is what you paid her,
Right,
plus what she owed, $809.48.
and 48.
Oh, that's correct, $1,688.06. That's correct.
Right.
Okay.